Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Emirates Islamic Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in emiratesislamic.ae in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Emirates Islamic Bank. Now in order to log into your account, just hover over to the login button at the top right corner and then select from your appropriate login from online banking or the business online section. After clicking on it, you will find the continue to online banking button. So just go ahead and click on it, and now you will be taken into the login portal. Now you will just need to enter your username and your password. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password, and then just click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Emirates Islamic. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can find the forgot username and the forgot password button right underneath the username and password boxes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Emirates Islamic. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.